Hi guys! So ayun, lalabas ako with friends and I will be using my Organic Nature Lippy in the shade of 3. Okay, so fun fact, I've been using Organic Nature products for 5 months now. So, nakita ko lang to from a friend kasi um, nagla-lunch kami noon and then she's actually using this lippy pero on the shade na 01 yung gamit niya. And nagulat ako kasi hindi natanggal sa lips niya yung lippy niya. So I asked, ano ba yung gamit yung lippy? And then I found out na it's from Organic Nature. It's the matte one that they have. So ngayon, I've been using this for more than 4 months now. And the good thing about Organic Nature is long-lasting siya. And when I say long-lasting, talagang literal na magtatagal. So ngayon, aside from going out with friends, ginagamit ko rin siya kapag pupunta ako ng work. So imagine, 8 hours ang work ko. Kapag nilagay ko siya prior to my shift, after end of my shift, nandun pa rin yung stain ng lipstick. So literal na long-lasting siya. So right now, I'm actually using this 03. Ang color niya is parang deep plum. And the good thing about it, it actually matches my skin color kasi warm tone ako. And maraming kulay na pagpipilian kasi meron ding mga pang cool tones si Organic Nature. So, if katulad ko kayo na medyo morena, you can actually go with shade 03. This one is parang medyo deep plum, and I think it will actually good to you kasi nga maganda siya sa kulay mo. Yun lang. So later, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano na yung magiging itsura niya after ng alis namin. Bye guys!